look she gets on her face.
Hello. What is it looking at?
Let's see what the giraffe thinks about this situation. I think the animals have something to say.
She's blowing her hair again.
She was prepping for the dog. Oh my god.
Well, that's funny when her hair's down. Luna! Hey, Luna!
Duna.
Look over here.
Luna!